by the students of Padma Shri Guru Geeta Chandran Ma'am and herself. The team, Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy Guru Geeta Chandran Ma'am, is one of India's foremost Bharatanatyam exponents and among the most respected figures in the global classical dance community. A distinguished dancer, choreographer, scholar, teacher, arts administrator, media personality, and Carnatic vocalist, she has dedicated over 5 decades to the advancement of Bharatanatyam. She began her dance journey at the age of 5 under Guru Swarna Saraswati, hailed from the traditional Dasi Parampara, and has trained under several eminent masters. Geeta Chandran Ma'am is celebrated for her unique artistic style that seamlessly blends nuanced abhinaya with technically demanding nritta. Her profound understanding of Carnatic music enriches his performance with exceptional depth and sensitivity. Throughout her illustrious career, she has explored the intersections of body, mind, spirituality, aesthetics, and social engagement through dance. In 1991, she founded Natya Vriksha in New Delhi, a pioneering institution dedicated to arts education, mentorship, and the nurturing of young artists. Her holistic pedagogy integrates classical dance training with broader humanistic values and interdisciplinary learning. She is widely admired for creating meaningful choreographies that transcend linguistic and cultural boundaries while addressing contemporary social concerns. As a mentor, philanthropist, and cultural advocate, she has actively supported numerous social and artistic initiatives. Her path breaking contributions to the arts education and cultural policy have significantly influenced discussions on the role of arts in formal education. In 2024, she celebrated the remarkable milestone of 50 years of uninterrupted engagement with Bharatanatyam since her Arangetram in 1974. Her many honors include the Padma Shri in 2007, the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2016, Tagore National Fellowship, and Nritya Chudamani. She is the curator of Delhi's acclaimed World Dance Day celebrations and also has curated the dance segment of the Serendipity Arts Festival from 2022 to 2025. Geeta Chandran Ma'am currently serves as cultural ambassador for South Asia for the Rome-based Center for Peace and Performing Arts, continuing to inspire generations through her artistry, scholarship, and visionary leadership. I take pride in inviting Padma Shri Guru Geeta Chandran Ma'am onto the stage.
Thank you so much. We first begin with the Pushpanjali, which will be performed by my students, Radhika Kathal, Soumya Lakshmi Narayanan, and Yadavi Shakhtar Menon. This is an original Pushpanjali. Actually, I asked Sridhar Vasudevan to compose this Pushpanjali, and this has been recorded by Satish, who's a wonderful singer, K. Venkateshwaran, Manohar Balachandran on the mridangam. I have done the Natuangam, and Raghavendra Prasad on the violin. Because we are on a track, I think it's very important to acknowledge the musicians. Pushpanjali in the ragam Shri, set to Aditala.
ತೈ 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 ತರಿ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತರಿ ತೈ ತೈ ತತ್ತರಿ ತತ್ತರಿ ತಗುಂದರೆ ಕೆಟದಗ ತೈ 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 ತರಿ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತರಿ ತೈ ತೈ ತತ್ತರಿ ತತ್ತರಿ ತಗುಂದರೆ ಕೆಟದಗ ತೈ ತೈ தகுதரி கிட தக தையை தை தை தரி திக்கு தரி தை தை தத்தரி தத்தரி தகுதரி கிட தக தையை தை
I would be presenting